folks, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC coming to you from the man cave. Big shout out to Hobby Zone for sending me out the HAWKEYE 600mm ready to fly for my review. Let's take her out of the box and see what it is. I don't normally do small planes like this, but they asked me if I'd do a review on it, so I said okie dokie. I mean, who's going to turn down a plane for review, right? And this is a ready to fly, which that means everything you need to get started in the hobby is in this box. This actually makes a great gift idea. I don't even remember the price now. I should have. Hey, the manual's not folded. That's good. Oh, this is a little bitty thing. I want to say it's $139. I really don't remember now. You know, I'll put a link, purchase link in the description. Takes a tiny little battery, a little USB charge, and a very small, looks like a little, let's see, that is a 1S, it's a 20C 1S, one cell little battery. So it doesn't take much to charge to run this plane. It's a little Ailerons 380 milliamp 3.7 volt 1S battery and a USB charger. So I'll tell you what we'll do is I'll get that charging. Okay. Set that off to the side. Then you got your controller, which is just a, it should already be bound. Now, yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, okay, I'm going to have 4 AA batteries. So that I didn't think about. And the controller's right there, everything you need. All right, and you got the wing. Oh, it's tethered together, okay. Well, it's pretty simple. So you got your 2 ailerons. Now, if you want to adjust the trim, like say if you think one of these were out of trim, you see these two hoops here, you would squeeze them together to adjust trim. Little bitty micro servos in there. Okay, fish that wing. Didn't know we were going to do an assembly also. Fish that wing in there, and that just pops in there like that. Pretty simple. And it just has a little mechanism. Make sure your wires aren't bound. Okay. And there you go. That's all you do. Just make sure you press that wing in there, turn that little knob there, locks your wing into place, and she's ready to fly. She should already be bound. There's your receiver and your ESC already hooked up. I'd be willing to bet that, well, I don't have, yeah, I don't have any batteries in that. But it should already be bound to the, all right, that's one thing. You put your battery hatch in there, press that down, then make sure you click that back. Should come with an extra prop. It may come with, I don't know, maybe it doesn't. But no, I guess it doesn't. But it's a little brushed motor, not a brushless motor. Should be a very simple little plane to fly. She has no rudder. And there again, if you think your elevator is out of trim, this little hoop metal, you either squeeze or expand that depending on how you want your trim to go. But she's a simple bank and yank. Should be a very lightweight. I mean, this thing can't weigh but, I mean, a couple grams. I mean, it's going to be nothing. And the props in the back, so you're not going to get cut. and it shouldn't damage it, and because it's going to land, the rudder will keep it up off the prop. Yeah, it will keep it up off the prop. So, and this little bulbous thing here is for it to land on. It's got one back here, so it should be a very simple little plane. It would be fun the way this thing is shaped, and it's got the airless to keep everything keep the battery cool. But the way this thing is shaped is kind of aggressive looking. It'd be cool to have this like in a 1.5 meter wingspan. That would be really cool. So, well, anyways, that's all there is in the box. You got the plane, you got the battery, you got the transmitter, and manual, and everything you need to fly. You're going to have 4 AA batteries. So it's almost ready to fly, because you do have to provide your own batteries for the transmitter. So there you go. Pretty simple. Not much to it. And next thing we'll do is take it out in the field and fly her. Actually, I might just take it out in the front yard and get my wife to film it, because it's so small that you could fly this. And I'm pretty sure the size of this will not require the remote ID. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is going to be under that, so you shouldn't have to have remote ID with this one. So I'm not sure about that, but I think so. I think this is going to be light enough where it wouldn't. This would be a great gift idea for a younger person, you know, wanting to get into the hobby. And yeah, nice little bit. It teaches all the basic of spatial awareness and flying a plane. So there you go. Thank you for watching. There'll be a link to purchase in here, and just so you're aware, don't buy it now. Even though I'm going to give you a link in it, wait until November 17th till I think December 3rd. There's going to be a Black Friday sale on it. Take some more money off. Bye.